Good morning, YouTube land. How y'all doing out there? I hope y'all doing fine. Now, hoping y'all having a blessed Saturday morning. And I hope y'all having a good Saturday morning. And I hope y'all is enjoying y'all day, whatever y'all doing this morning. And I hope y'all had a good breakfast out there, YouTube land. And these are my pancakes and these are my sausage. If y'all like, and this is my coffee right here. And I'm going to turn around my coffee cup, let y'all see what my coffee cup say. It say, running, running on coffee and Jesus. That's what it say, running on coffee and Jesus. And if y'all like this, and this is my calendar, what I got in my house. It say, blessed, hope, and faith. It say, on the other side, it say, love and laughter. If y'all like this, give us a thumb up and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.